Hey guys, I just want to discuss something with you. I just found this out just a few days ago that you can get plaques from YouTube for having at least 1,000 subscribers, 100,000 subscribers, then 1,000,000 subscribers. I think that's the order. But wait a second, I kind of messed that up. And then there's a 10 million subscriber thing. So I'll show you the silver play button. I think. Oh no, it's only 100,000. Wonder if they have a bronze one. But guys, dude, these things look so awesome. See, they even they even put your name on it. Custom. Who is this one for? I can't read it because it's taking forever to load. Adrian Inson or whatever. Hector 2 or Hector's Hector. But then, did they have a bronze one? Okay, this is fake. This is so freaking fake. Dude, that's so fake. But guys, I just want to discuss this with you, and then look at the diamond one. I don't know if it's a real diamond, but this thing looks sick. The first person I think to get it was like Sky Does Minecraft. Yeah, it's from creators or creator rewards. It rewards people for having a successful YouTube channel pretty much. So guys, if you like this conversation, please hit that thumbs up button. Let's try to get 10 thumbs up. How about 5? Yeah, that's 5. Let's try to get 10 subscribers. 10 subscribers, that's a high goal. Can we do it? So guys, if you enjoyed this video, recommend it. And just tell your friends all about it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.